Our goal in solving this equation is to find the value of x, which makes two sides of the equation equal. To do this, we are going to rewrite the equation so that one side of the equation has only x. So, let's first eliminate 5x on the left side of the equation by subtracting 5x. Here, it is important to treat both sides of the equation equally. So, when we subtract a number from one side of the equation, we must subtract the same number from the other side of the equation. After subtracting 5x, the left side of the equation is simplified to -9. Then, let's simplify the right side of the equation. 8x minus 5x is 3x. We now have a new equation, -9 equals 3x. Now, to solve the equation, we are going to eliminate 3 in front of x. To do this, let's divide both sides of the equation by 3. After dividing them by 3, the right side of the equation is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the left side of the equation. -9 divided by 3 is -3. And let's switch the two sides of the equation. So, the answer is x equals -3.